Hi everyone, so today we'll be making these paper snowmen peoples. They look like this. You're going to need scissors, pencil, optional, tape, optional, and paper. Now, you can do this first step you need to do, unless you magically already have skinny paper, you just fold your paper in half a long way. Like that. You want it even, because then everything ends up the same in the end, and it's all symmetrical and nice looking. Like that. And then you want to cut down the fold. And now you want to take them apart. You want to line up the ends a little bit, overlap, and then tape it together. I'm going to go change the battery before it dies. I'm back. We have a fresh battery. We should be good. And you line up the ends and try to make it like straight and not have to be all like crooked. And you want to tape it together. Or you could just do a short one. It's up to you. And I want to do the little bit longer one. You only need a little bit of tape. So you can tape it more later. I'll show you how. Looks like that. Now you want to line up the ends. You also want the tape to be on the outside when you're doing this part, because it'll make a different part later. So when you fold it, make sure you fold it so that your tape is on the outside. I only taped one side, because then when I tape it later, you don't see the tape. I'll explain later. And you want to just line up the ends, and then fold it in half. Again, you want the tape to be on the outside, because then when you put the pencil lines on it, if you use a pencil or if it's just freehanded, then it doesn't matter. It will be on the same side as the tape, and it'll all be in the back, and you won't see any of it. Now, I'm just going to take it, and I'm just going to fold the whole thing in half again. You could try doing it in thirds and get 6 snowmen, so it'll end up being skinnier than mine, but I just think 4 is good. And also, I'm too lazy to fold it into thirds. So yeah. Just fold it like this. Take your pencil and draw out your snowmen. This is what my other ones look like. So I'm going to draw him off camera because it's just easier. So I'll be right back. So I'm back and I drew him. Here is him. He looks pretty much just like my other ones. Just, he's not cut out yet. So now that you drew him, you want to make sure that the hands are connected and you don't cut them off, because otherwise it'll just be a whole bunch of separate snowmen. Which will be cute and you can tape them all over the walls, but not a chain like you want them to be. Now I'm just going to cut right on the line, which you guys can't even hardly see. Like that. And there's a chunk of snowman. And then here you have a whole bunch of paper bits that you can make like a collage or something with. Or just throw them away. It's up to you. You want to make sure you keep the pieces of your snowman lined up, otherwise they'll end up weird. Keep cutting and take your time, and then they'll end up looking nicer. If you just rush right through it, they won't look quite as nice. They'll look way sloppy and rushed. You also want to make sure you keep your edges lined up. If you don't, then your one snowman won't all match like you want them to. You kind of want them to be all exactly the same, because that's kind of the point, and it makes them look cool. But if you rush, paper gets disaligned, and then not everybody comes out equal to each other. There, I have a whole half of him done. Now, you already saw me do this. I'm going to cut the other half of him out on camera because I can't really talk while I cut him out. I got him all cut out. My one arm came out a little skinny on one because I let the paper get a little disaligned, but it's okay. This is what they look like. And now if you notice, there's this odd little part in the middle too. You gotta just, because they got folded over, you gotta just flatten that out like that. And now that's not going to stay down, so you just take your tape, take a little tiny piece of it, roll it up so that it's sticky on all sides, or use double-faced tape if you have it. I just happen to not at the moment. And then just stick that right there, and then just stick that down so they're connected right there. And then, boom! Snowman pepper chain. They don't want to look at the camera, their camera shy apparently. There. That's how you make them. If you like paper crafts, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want more winter crafts, or if you want me to just make random crafts. I can do that too, because I can't think of winter ones sometimes. And subscribe. Bye!